Oh, so you just thought you was gonna click on the video and you was just gonna see me confront a no-tip customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing with me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We dropped off that Chipotle. Let's see how much $200 in Chipotle pays. $26.70. Let's go. Hello. You Elizabeth? Yeah. You ever heard of no tip, no trip?
It was at this moment.
How much is the tip on this order? Yeah, that ain't enough when it's 0 degrees outside and it's icy and I gotta drive my car and wait for it. You know how much Dashers make on the average? You don't incur, do you? Well, we make like 80% of our money on tips. So when you do like a $2 tip, that's like getting your food brung to you for free. Cause like it's hella traffic. I don't know if you know, but I've been on this order for 30 minutes. And yeah, I am recording. I do this for you. So people who order and don't put a good tip on there, I put them on blast and make them feel bad. And maybe they think about it next time when they got a driver out there in 0 degrees, picking up order $2 tip. They actually tricked me into taking your order. But they stacked it with somebody else who tipped really good. So when I picked it up, I was like, oh shit, this is only paying $4. So they only tipped me too? Oh no, I'm still gonna leave it because I gotta take a picture of it because I ain't getting no contract violation, but no, this is what I do. Suck you worse orders. I put the customer on blast, let them know they suck, they're a miserable clown, and you know, look out for the driver if you don't wanna go get it yourself, pretty much. So I'm gonna take this picture and then you can do whatever you want with it. Yeah, it sucks, right? People don't know how to tip and they think they can get away with it, so it's my job to put them on blast so they know that they miserable clowns, basically. Go get it yourself or make a sandwich, basically.